Is it durable?
Yes, it's durable.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
Is this heavy?
Yes, it is.
Are you busy?
No, I am free.
Are you crazy? Shall I go?
Yes, you may.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Are you done?
Yes, I am done.
Has someone come?
Nobody has come.
Isn't it good?
No, it's good.
At what time?
At 6 o'clock.
Shall we start?
Start right away.
Are you thirsty?
No, I'm not.
Who took that?
I didn't take.
What's the matter?
He abused me.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Do you need anything else?
No, thanks.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
How are you feeling?
Really awful.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
What's on your mind?
I am just thinking.
Is it close to the rail station?
Yes, it's very close.
Are you ready to order?
I need a few more minutes.
What is this?
This is a lens.
Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't.
Are you coming?
Yes, I am coming.
Are you going?
Yes, I am going.
Do you need any help?
Yes, please help me.
How about this?
I don't like this.
How about your work?
It is going well.
How are you feeling now?
I am feeling well.
How far is your home?
It's 2 kilometers from here.
How is everything?
Everything is fine.
How is your family?
My family is good.
How to start?
You can start with the grammar.
How was the party?
It was fine.
May I come in?
Yes, of course. Please come in.
May I use your pen, please?
Sure, why not?
What brings you here?
Actually, I had some work nearby.
What can I do for you?
Can you please give me a cup of tea?
What do you do in your free time?
I just sleep.
What do you mean?
I mean you have changed.
What do you want?
I want a laptop.